Where are my friends? All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead.
That was your great idea for this entire shot, wasn't it?
That's jaywalking, loitering, sarcasm, jaywalking, perjury, embezzlement, murder.
Answer the question! I don't know, it's like, it'd be in your best interest if you answer this question. I just hang out with my friends, you know, clearly love. You know what? I don't want to tell you, but I didn't like your tone. Your tone was a little aggressive, I want to say.
Really? Unbelievable.
Who's your favorite superhero? I'm spitting on me.
Sorry.
No, Chris, you gotta be like, you gotta talk or something.
Yeah.